Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And boy, am I cold. Well, I was born and raised in Florida, so anything below 70 is cold to me. We got another radio here from Jeff's collection. This is the GE, and it says right here, Long Range Pocket Radio. He paid $750 at a junk shop for it, and it works perfect. Nice shiny chrome frame there. Very unusual tuning dial there. Watch that red bar. See that? That's a little different. And it flops over to the other side. Pretty cool. Let's see if it works. Okay, over here we have the on-off volume. And over here is the strap, which is a fabric strap, not plastic. This is about 1970s vintage. Up here is a big tuning knob. And then back here on the back is the earbud jack, 9-volt battery. And I noticed it actually has feet on it, so you can actually stand it up like that. That's pretty nifty. Let's see what we got here. There you go. Whoa. It is tinny. Wow, it does sound tinny. It's a 6 transistor radio. See what else we can get. I like that tuning bar. It locks on to the station's pretty good, but that microphone, it's kind of tinny. You got to use earbuds. Plenty of volume. That's about half. Now, I'm in my office, so I've got a lot of electronic interference. It's doing pretty good. There's some. No, there's some interference. Let's go back down right about here. Strong station right about there. I think the dial is a little off. No, maybe not. I'm trying to find 970, which should be right about there. Maybe that's it. Yeah. The dial's okay. It's just the old man. AM only. Nice shiny chrome. Looks in excellent condition. Solid state. Pretty cool. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios from this collection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.